In this Facebook ads course video, we are going to talk about bidding strategies in detail today. Friends, if you really want to become a Facebook ads expert and you want to bring in peak performance, if you want to drive results in ads, then you need to know about the right bidding strategies, which means knowing the different types of correct bidding strategies to be used in ads. So we will give you all the information so that you learn how to create Facebook ads and apply them to your business, achieving your marketing goals and watching your business grow. So if you can strongly run FB ads, you can expect to see some good results. So make sure you watch this video till the end because it is important for this course. Before we move on to the video, I want to give you an important update. Friends, Marketing Fundas has brought you a fusion course for the first time. You all will learn about AI's fusion with digital marketing, which means how using AI we can enhance digital marketing strategies. How by integrating these tools we can boost productivity and efficiency, as these are future skills. Moving on, if you want to advance your career and make your business grow multifold, then friends, you must learn. So call on the given number on WhatsApp for the course information. Now let's move forward, guys.
In today's video, we'll talk about bidding strategies. Friends, what are the bidding strategies used in Facebook ads? And what bidding strategy will benefit us? How are we going to benefit from it? We are going to talk about it today and we'll discuss it in full detail. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to show to you some graphs where we'll show you properly how bidding strategy works. There are two types of strategies in FB bidding strategy. One is automated bidding. In this, Facebook has the control. It's not in your control. See, as you know, what happens when you place those ads on Facebook? There's an auction for ads where multiple brands bid on their ad placements. When a brand places an ad, what is the process involved for that brand? Facebook gives its ad to those brands that are paying more money or in which the content is good. It will reach a relevant audience. Suppose that you have placed an ad on some object, like a bottle ad was placed. Now regarding that bottle ad, there are many more competitors. Those ads are placed on the same platform, on Facebook. So what will happen? Facebook will judge you that your content is the same, even if you are placing it. Facebook bottle ad. But who will pay the most charges? In automatic bidding, it will see those charges. On which platform is the user going to bid more than you? Meaning the bidder is going to pay charges more than you. Whoever pays the most charges, they will have their placement. It will show up quickly. It will show up on top as more relevant. In automated bidding, you have no control, right? But in automated bidding, there is one big benefit. The one huge advantage for you is that you get to the most results. Facebook tries its best to get to your audience. But if you want to save some money, pay some charges according to your suitability. So there's manual bidding. It's on Facebook. If you want manual bidding, then you have the option cost control bidding. Here you will see that you have two types of cost controls. The first one is the cost cap and the second one is the bid cap. Friends, we are talking about the option manual bidding. If we talk about the cost cap option, then cost cap gets the most result because you are staying within the benchmark cost per action. And if you're supposedly choosing cost cap, that Facebook is deciding based on your bidding, your cost per lead will be, let's say that it will be 100 rupees, but you want it on 70 per lead. Then you can utilize cost cap over there. Then you can adjust your cost. You don't want to give to Facebook even 70 rupees. Then it will take you to a possible audience or a more potential audience where you will get the ads and see the performance. It's simple. If you have impressions, it simply means you're competing in the auction, in the bidding. You are showing up. But if you have a proper way with audience impressions, you are getting impressions and impressions with reach, but not getting leads. Then you will need to increase the cost cap. Facebook is direct and simple. Want to pay 10 rupees only. But Facebook decided 100 rupees, but you want to get leads for 10. So then there you will have a problem getting leads because in 10 rupees, Facebook won't give you benefit. You want your benefit to happen that if I have the cost cap control in my hands, I'll spend 10 rupees, let's control for 10 rupees. But this will cause problems. Second option is bid cap. If you want to set a bid cap, then you can reach the most results without exceeding your budget in bid cap. This option actually tries its best to take your results and make them reach to the audience. It tries to reach 100%, but you'll have to increase your bid if your bid is too low. That is, if you want to set a proper bid cap or control your bids, you want to keep your control in your hands. You want to stop your bid at 10 rupees, let's say. You don't want to exceed any bid. You don't want to increase your bid. You want to keep your control. In that case, Facebook makes an effort to ensure that your ads are displayed to users in a targeted and effective way. When will this work? When you properly auction out the ad. Okay, guys. If you are bidding the ad in the auction, then the best option for the bidding control will be if you are trying to participate in bidding, then also you can properly do it. So you want the user to see the ad, but you want your cost to be much lower. You want cost control. For that, you need to set bid control. You will have to put bid cap in order to control it. So now let us go to the Facebook ad campaign once, where we will see the bid cap and where the cost cap option is and the way to apply this bidding strategy so that you can optimize it. So open Facebook. After opening your account, you'll go to the ads manager. Then you have to go to left corner, just below the event. If you can't see it, click on the see more button. From there, you can click on ads manager. After launching the ads manager, you can create a campaign. Create ad. I will create a lead campaign. Now in the lead, you want to know about cost cap, manual leads, campaign. Facebook just launched automatically if you want to opt out, where so that you will get audience advantage and placement advantage. And you get multiple advantages, then click on recommended setting and can also go to the automatic ads. But we'll do manual setup. We will scroll. Buying type should be the auction. Campaign is leads. You can enable the advantage campaign budget if you want to. You can turn it on. It will show your daily budget and what your daily budget will be. After enabling campaign bid strategy will show campaign bid strategy. Currently, automatic bid strategy comes in highest volume. This strategy is applied to highest volume. To change this, you can click on edit and now we will see bid cap and cost control cap are given here too. Cost per result, meaning the cost cap is given. I'm on the bid cap option. We'll click to show. So click on it, daily budget. Is 800. It is default. Here you set the bid cap. You can put control cap it where it's giving you an option. Campaign opportunities, you could get 3% lower cost per result with some advantages, etc. If you apply this, then there you have added 3% lower cost chances, which is given to you through Meta. And if I talk about cost cap, on the cost cap button, you have the option to control the cost cap, and we'll control cost cap, then click next. I want to go through both bidding strategies. So it is important that you watch the entire video properly. The strategy will be fully clear to you. Cost per result, which is your strategy applied, is showing in your ad campaign and the ad set level. As of now, for one lead, your charges could potentially go up to 200 rupees. These are estimated charges shown to you here through Facebook. It's estimated. It's not like you must pay that amount. Okay. You see, we can set it 100 rupees. If you want to control it and don't want to pay more than 100 rupees. So with the lead, the average cost of the lead, which I will have to give, is going to be 100 rupees for bidding. You can also try 25 here. At least I'll try it. Now it will show you the result here, estimated audience. It's showing here. Here you can choose to select the cost. According to choice, if you want the cost per result, then you can put a cost cap. I'll try it once. I'm setting the bid cap. I'm on bid cap itself. We'll go back and now come here. So we will select the bid cap. Then click next. We'll scroll. And then the controlled amount you set, which is that you don't want to pay more than 200. You set the bid control at 100 rupees. So I bid in the auction. But I will not place a bid of more than 100 rupees. So you can decide here. Once you've made your decision, You can fine-tune your ads for optimal performance, letting you see how well they perform. You can add your audience, set your audience, optimize your ads to see how they perform. You can achieve a lot. I hope, friends, you like this video. See you. Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed this video and found it interesting. If you have liked this video, please let me know in the comment section. If you have any queries, then you can also write them to us in the comment section. So friends, if you like the content that we're putting out, please share the channel and help us grow. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of these important courses. And so that you don't miss the upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching Marketing Funda.